Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss indefinite integration, Maths 2B, chapter number 6, very short answer questions. Right. Here, question number 1 in this topic is integral e power x into 1 plus x by 2 plus x whole square dx. So here depends upon the denominator, we are changing numerator function. So here denominator is 2 is there, numerator 1 is there, 1 plus x is there. So add and subtract 1 like this we are getting, okay, by 2 plus x whole square dx. Now separate that function here, e power x into 2 plus x by 2 plus x whole square minus 1 by 2 plus x whole square dx. So here I can cancel one function 2 plus x and square function here I can cancel. F dash of x dx is equal to e power x into f of x plus c. So here if you choose this function as in f of x, here f of x plus c, right? So now if you choose this function as in f of x, f dash x is this function only. In the sense derivation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square, like. Okay, so here your final answer goes to e power x into f of x plus c, no? So that is nothing but 1 by 2 plus x plus c is our answer. Next question based on the same model. The question is integral e power x into x by x plus 1 whole square dx. This is the next question. So here by the denominator condition, numerator add and subtract 1. Just now we did same model, right? So by x plus 1 whole square dx. Now again separate that function, integral e power x into x plus 1 by x plus 1 whole square minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square dx. So here I can cancel 1x plus 1. Next leftover value goes to is equal to integral e power x into 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square dx. Here the formula is integral e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx is equal to e power x into f of x plus c. So here take this function as in f of x, this function goes to f dash of x. Here derivation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square concept, right? So this is equal to e power x into f of x. F of x value is 1 by x plus 1 plus c. This is the answer for this question, right? Now next model question. So here the question is integral dx by x plus 1 into x plus 2. This question here what I am taking is equal to x plus 2, second function minus first function here I am doing, okay, by x plus 1 into x plus 2 integral dx. So separate that function here, x plus 2 by x plus 1 into x plus 2 dx. Next minus integral x plus 1 by x plus 1 into x plus 2 dx. So now here I can cancel the similar functions. X plus 2 cancel out, x plus 1 is in cancel out. So leftover values are 1 by x plus 1 dx minus integration dx by x plus 2. So here we have the formula integration of dx by x plus a is equal to log mod x plus a. This is the formula. So here the value goes to log mod x plus 1 minus log mod x plus 2, final answer, plus c is the constant, right? Right. Next question goes to here the question is integral dx by x plus 3 into root over x plus 2. For this question I am taking t square is equal to x plus 2. This function I am taking t square. So differentiate with respect to t, dw or tx, differentiate with respect to x. So here 2t dt is equal to dx. And one more thing here I can replace x plus 3 is equal to x plus 2 plus 1. That is nothing but t square plus 1. And moreover I can replace t is equal to root x plus 2. So here everything I am replacing. Dx function is replaced with 2t dt by x plus 3 function is replaced with t square plus 1 and root over x square plus 2 replaced with t. Here I can cancel this function and this function is equal to 2 integral dt by 1 plus t square. Here I have the formula integral dx by x square plus 1 formula goes to tan inverse of x plus c. But here instead of x t is there. So this is equal to 2 tan inverse t plus c. But t value goes to root x plus 2. So here answer is 2 times of tan inverse of root x plus 2 plus c. This is the answer for the question. Okay. Now right. Now the next question is integral 1 minus 1 by x square into e power x plus 1 by x dx. This is the question. So here I am taking t is equal to x plus 1 by x dt is equals to 1 minus 1 by x square. Differentiation I am doing here x square. 1 minus 1 by x square dx. So here everything I am replacing. This function and this function replaced with dt and x plus 1 by x replaced with t. So now this function is reduced to like this, e power t into dt. So here we have the formula integration of e power x dx is equal to e power x plus c. Here answer is e power t plus c. So is equal to t value is x plus 1 by x. So e power x plus 1 by x plus c is our answer. Okay. Now the next question is integral e power x into x plus 1 by cos square of x into e power x dx. So here I am taking t is equal to x into e power x. This function I am taking. Now differentiation with respect to x. This is u, this is v. uv whole dash formula here I am applying. The formula is u dash v plus u v dash. Okay. So here dt is equal to u dash, in the sense x dash into e power x plus x into e power x dash into dx. So now this is equal to x dash is in 1, right? So e power x plus x into derivation of e power x is e power x only into dx. This is equal to e power x into x plus 1 dx. So here I can replace complete numerator as in dt. Complete numerator as in dt. So integral dt by cos square t. So this is equal to 1 by cos square is in what? Secant square t into dt. Integration secant square goes to formula tan t. Integration of secant square formula is tan t. So here plus c. This is equal to t value is there in x into e power x. So here tan of x into e power x plus c is the answer. Okay. Right. Next question is right. Here the next question is integral x to the power 8 by 1 plus x to the power 18 dx. This is the question. Okay. So here I am taking t is equal to x to the power 9. Differentiate with respect to x. Here I am getting n into x power n minus 1 formula. So dx. So is nothing but 1 by 9 into dt is equal to x to the power 8 into dx. So here 1 by 9 integral dt by 1 plus x to the power 9 whole square. X power 9 replace with t. So is equal to 1 by 9 integral dt by 1 plus t square. 1 by 1 plus x square. In general here we have the formula integration dx by 1 plus x square is equal to tan inverse x plus c. So here the formula is applying 1 by 9 times of tan inverse of t plus c. But t value is how much here? X power 9. That is equal to 1 by 9 into tan inverse of x power 9 plus c. This is the answer for this question. Same model here we have one more question, that is integral 2 times of x to the power 3 by 1 plus x power 8 dx. 1 plus x power 8 dx. Right. So here I can take t is equal to x power 4, dt is equal to 4x cube dx. I am splitting like this. 1 by 2 into dt is equal to 2x cube dx. Replace here 1 by 2 integral dt by 1 plus x power 8 is there. That one I am splitting it as x power 4 whole square. So replace t, right? 1 by 2 integral dt by 1 plus t square. Just now we have written that formula. Integral dt by 1 plus or integral dx by 1 plus x square is equal to formula is tan inverse x plus c. Just now we have taken this formula. Right. So here same applying that formula, 1 by 2 into tan inverse t plus c, but t value is there in x to the power 4. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into tan inverse of x power 4 plus c is the answer for this question. Okay, right. Now same model question we have, right? So I am taking the same question. The question is here. Here the question is integral x square dx by root over 1 minus x to the power 6. This is the question. So here I am taking t is equal to x cube, differentiation dt is equal to 3x square dx. So here 1 by 3 into dt is equal to x square dx. Replacing here 1 by 3 integral dt by root over 1 minus x cube whole square. Replace all those values here. 1 by 3 integral dt by root over 1 minus t square. So here we have the formula integral dx by root over 1 minus x square. Formula is sine inverse x plus c. So here applying that formula we are getting 1 by 3 into sine inverse of t plus c, but t value is how much? X cube, right? Is equal to 1 by 3 into sine inverse of x cube plus c is our answer. Okay. Right. Next question. So here the question is integral sine to the power 4x by cos to the power 6x dx. So here this question I am converting sine to the power 4x by cos to the power 4x into 1 by cos square x, like this. I am splitting or I am converting like this. So here we know that sine by cos goes to tan. So tan to the power 4x and 1 by cos square goes to secant square x dx. 1 by cos square x goes to secant square x dx. In general here we have one formula, integral f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx is equal to f of x whole to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. But here if you take this function as in f of x, right, this function goes to f dash of x. Derivation of tan x is secant square x. So I am applying this formula now. This is equal to tan x whole to the power 5 by 5 plus c. This is the answer for this question. Right. Now go for the next question. Integration of cot of log x by x into dx. This is the question. So here this question I am remaking it as like this, cot of log x into dx by x. So here I am taking, put t is equal to log x and dt is equal to 1 by x dx, right? Dx by x replace with dt and log x replace with t. So cot t into dt. Here we have the formula integration of cot x dx is equal to log mod sin x plus c. So here this is equals to log mod sin t plus c, but t value is how much? Log x. So answer is log mod sin of log x plus c. This is the answer for this question. Right. Next question is in same model in general. the question is here, integration of cos of root x by root x. Integration of cos of root x by root x dx. So here I am taking t is equal to root x, dt is equal to d by dx of root x is 1 by 2 root x dx. Cross multiply to the left side. So 2 dt is equal to dx by root x. So here I am replacing integral cos t into dx by root x is replaced with 2 dt. So is equal to 2 integral cos t into dt. Here we have the formula, integration of cos x dx is equal to sin x plus c. This is the formula. So here by applying that formula, we get that value is 2 times of sin t plus c. But t value is how much? Root x. So that is equal to 2 times of sin of root x plus c. This is the answer for this question, right? Now go for the next question. The next question is integral secant x into log of secant x plus tan x dx. So here in previous we have one formula, that is what, f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx is equal to formula f of x whole to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. This is the formula, right? So here what I am taking, f of x is equal to log of secant x plus tan x. Here I am taking. So f dash of x goes to derivation of log function is 1 by x function. So that one I am writing it as 1 by secant x plus tan x into secant x derivation goes to secant x into tan x plus derivation of tan x is what? Secant square x into in general dx. Here in numerator I can take common secant x. This is equal to secant x into leftover value secant x plus tan x. Secant square is there, that one I am writing secant x, and secant x tan x, secant x is taken out, leftover value is there in tan x, by secant x plus tan x into dx. So here I can cancel this secant x plus tan x, in the denominator secant x plus tan x. Leftover value is there what? Secant x into dx. So here secant x dx I got. So here I can apply that condition, right? So formula goes to f of x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. F of x value is there how much? Log mod secant x plus tan x. So answer is log of secant x plus tan x whole to the power, here 1 is there, 1 plus 1 goes to 2 by 2 plus c. This is the answer for this question. Okay. Now go for the next question. Here the question is integral dx by x log x into log of log x. Okay, this is the question. So here in the question only he mentioned separate bracket like this. So here we need to take that function is there in t. T is equal to log of log x. Differentiation is dt is equal to 1 by log x into derivation of log x is there again 1 by x dx. So here dt is replaced with dx by x into log x. So this function and this function is replaced with what? Dt. So now integral dt by this function already we have taken as t, no? So dt by t. So here we have the formula in general. Integration of dx by x is equal to log x plus c. So by applying that formula, here we can get this is equal to log mod t plus c. But t value is how much? Log of log x. So here log of, again log of log x plus c. This is the answer for this question. Alright, next. Right, go for the next question. Here the question is integral 1 by e power x minus 1 dx. So here I am writing integral 1 by this e power x, I am writing it as 1 by e power minus x. That e power x I am writing it as what? 1 by e power minus x. So 1 by e power minus x minus 1. In general, e power minus x is also 1 by e power x. In the sense, e power x is equal to 1 by e power x. This is nothing but 1 by e power minus x. That concept here I have written. Okay. By taking LCM sending to the numerator, e power minus x by 1 minus e power minus x dx. So here I am taking denominator value 1 minus e power minus x. So this is equal to dt is equal to derivation of constant 0 minus e power minus x is e power minus x into dx. Minus minus will become plus, right? E power minus x dx. Numerator replace with dt. So that is equal to integral dt by t. So here in general, just now we have the formula integral dx by x is equal to log mod x plus c. Log mod x plus c. So here this is equals to log mod t plus c. This is equals to what? Log mod t plus c. T plus c. So is equal to log mod t. T value is what? 1 minus e power minus x plus c. Or this also can be written as log mod 1 minus e power minus x can be written as 1 by e power x, no? So plus 1 plus c. This is the answer for this question. Okay. Thank you.